that peg that's sitting there from the cam. Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to get this head in there.
That's right on our timing mark.
That's on it. It's got to be right there. I just need the bolt to hold it in.
Yeah. It's right on our mark. We're on the money. Let me get our little timing mark up there. That port. And there's a timing mark down there. Awesome. Got it. We're ready to go. That's fat bolt.
Set the bottom
put
first.
The bottom first,
Set the bottom first.
Bam. Perfecto. Yeah, probably just had to raise up on it to get the bolt to go through.
Our chain is in. On our timing mark, so we are almost good to go.
Man. Woo. Yo, and we're back once again. Stay working on this thing, of course, until it's done. So we got it down. Looking in the trunk because I'm about to take this carpet out because we got some goodies that will be here tomorrow or Monday. It may take up a little trunk space, so we're gonna figure that out real quick. Mark's working on the front. We got that front cover back on. Putting the alternator on right now. We're waiting on a crank seal.
Yes, everybody drops bolts every now and then.
Yep. Normally 10mm sockets, but
right.
And it seems like they're just dropping a black hole. So everything's coming back together pretty nicely, and we're looking good. We're gonna get our rat's nest taken care of with the Motec. We'll clean it up after we get everything done. But I'm gonna get back here and pull this carpet out and see what we look like underneath. Excuse my junky trunk. So let's get that done and see what's up. Alright, so I got the carpet out. Now I think I can take this cover off, so I pulled the rivets out. And I think that I'll be able to reach through under here and be able to actually clasp our mount that's going to go here from the bottom, which would be nice. So we're going to try and get that out and see what we can see, but it just looks like an access cover. So you see what we're accessing right here. And yeah, we uncovered the brake duct, and that looks like Reynolds wrap. Boy. I guess it's just how it comes. So, but we're gonna put it back together. I already got this side covered up though. Boy. So we're gonna get this done and get it ready because we got stuff coming, and next week is crunch time.
You can use right there. You got 5 more on the other side too. Come on. Pull it. Go take off the other side.
Oh, gotta teach them young, man. It's always nice to see she wants to work on cars. So, gotta let her. That's what she wants to do. So, boy, fun deal. Got everything out, but that was actually the fuel pump cover we were looking at. So, at least I know where my new fuel hat is gonna go, which I figured it would go there. But it also gave us access to the bottom plate of that plastic there, so if we wanted to, we could get our bracket that needs to go there over the top and under and bolt it in. So we are good. Waiting on this crank seal, and we're gonna get this front end together and maybe turn this thing over, see if it fires up. Should be fun.
He keeps coming up, Dad.
Alright.
So certified brake girl technician.
So you hold one hand up here, and then no, use your left hand.
Okay.
Put your left hand up there, and then there you go. That way this one holds it on. You can put it however you want. You can put your hand on there however you want. And then that way it holds it in place, and you just go like this.
Okay.
There you go. Coming on out.
That's any tool in life. You have the right tools in life, makes everything a little bit easier.
Okay.
It's already set to take it off.
Do I just pull
Make
the
sure it's set on there all the way.
Yeah, make sure it's set on there.
And then
We have upgraded to
pull the
power
trigger.
tools.
Wait, Dad.
use one hand up here. There you go. And then pull the trigger. Go ahead. Hold it down. Alright, that's out.
There you
Now
go.
pull the bolt out. There you go.
We're out.
You gotta go a little bit more.
Stuck.
A little bit more. Right,
Okay.
you're on.
Pull it. Alright, it's out.
It's out now.
It's still
It's alright, let me see.
stuck.
It's alright. Oh, it's out. They just didn't want to come all the way out. Sit that in a tray.
Got it. Which tray?
That tray where the lug nuts are.
Right here. Yeah.
Alright. And you take your screwdriver. towards you, and it's gonna pop this off. So you need one hand up here,
Here.
and then one hand here.
Are they heavy? Ow.
No, rock it back and forth. Now go down, flip it on the bottom and do it from the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. Where?
In the same spot I showed you.
Right there?
Yep. Now one hand there, one hand here.
Yeah.
You almost got it. Stick it up in there more.
Okay.
There you go.
Right here?
Yep.
It's coming out.
Cool. The other side was stuck too. You almost got it. Okay. Now set this down and then grab it. One hand here, one hand. And rock it back and
I
forth.
got it.
There you go.
Damn, calipers off.
There you go. Now pull this disc off. It's heavy. Use two hands, one on each
I
side.
don't want to take this off.
You can do it. And then set it over there on the toolbox.
I can't.
Go set it over there.
Which one?
Over there. Go set it in the red cart.
Okay.
Alright.
Ugh.
Set it in there.
Ow.
Don't knock over the drink. Alright. Set it down.
Rotor off.
Ow, ow, ow.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, there you go.
There you
Ugh.
go.
I'm wiping it out.
No, don't get it. There's a rag down there in the toolbox. Alright. Now we're gonna turn the rotors.
Good
And we'll
times.
put them back on.
We just took it off.
Mechanic life.
Yeah.
Going to go turn the rotors. Got the old pan all clean. Out of the parts washer. It is sparkling. We just had to dig through a mountain of parts because didn't have this on video, but I pulled the snap ring out of the old pickup tube, and that thing flew in the air and landed in our bin right here. So we just dug all this out and found a needle in the haystack, of which was our snap ring for our old pickup tube, and I just got this thing on there. So there we go, and that little snap ring is right there. Man, our old pickups on. Now we have everything torqued down. Our side bolts are torqued down on the engine now, and got the pump on. So, well, our pickup is on, and we're just need to clean this flange surface up, and we're gonna throw this pan on. We'll be ready for some fluid here. Need this new filter too. Alright, our bottom end is complete. Pan is on. Dust cover for the flywheel is on. Everything torqued down good. So we got pan on. So get us a new oil filter. We're gonna get this new crank seal in the front, and we'll be good to go. So the car will be back together, and get our pile of goodies from our newest sponsor coming in the clutch on Monday, but it shows it might show up tomorrow, so I'll just wait and see what the FedEx Santa Claus brings. And man, this thing is looking good. Got a unit down here. Oh yeah, can't wait to let her rip. Obviously I put my tunnel cover back on. But oh yeah, I'm cooking now. Now this may be what we do today. We're waiting on this crank seal. It's not going to get here until Monday, so don't really want to put all the rest of the accessories and everything on the front because of that. So we're just where we are today. But that'll be it, guys. So until the next episode on this quick build of the Viper.